OMG, so I have like a small unboxing per usual because I'm always online shopping, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this bomb look. It's like low-key glam, but it's low-key real simple. It's like not too much, not over the top. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so y'all like how the skin is glowing. That's first and foremost. So I'm going to drop the links for the skin routine down the bottom. Don't mind my face, it's a little dry right here because I didn't put any moisturizer on yet. But I'll get to that part when I do the tutorial. But anywho, I'm going to drop the deets for this skin routine down at the bottom. Do you see this? Do you see that? Okay, so moving along, I have a treat for you guys. Bam! Okay, so that's one, and then bam! That's number two. So I just sit in the house all day long and online shop. Like, I work from home now, so I have no choice but to online shop. So I'm going to share with you guys a few things that I purchased from Beauty Bakery. So we have the Lollipop Eyeliner, Beauty Bakery Cream Liquid Lipstick. Let's see. Lip Whip Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I've always wanted to try these, but they've been sold out since forever. You see it? Oh, I don't know. Don't judge me. But you get 6 of these for $18. So let me borrow face palette. Let me move this light over. Okay, so let's see. We're opening this together. Cute. Oh wait, it had another plastic on it. So this is cute for my contour. Color Oat Translucent. Now, I've purchased 3 different colors of this Beauty Bakery powder before. I purchased the Pink Chiffon, which I freaking love. I purchased the Cassava and the Plantain. I wanted to try Oat because I felt like it would blend better with the skin and not necessarily give it a different tone. Like the Plantain, which is like a yellow banana-y color, it changes my skin color, and I'm not here for that. So I tried the Cassava, which is a shade lighter, but kind of gives an ash feel. Okay, so next we have the setting spray, which is the Sweet Grace, the Prayer of a Sweet Lover baking spray. Okay, so I purchased 2 of these. Mainly because I've purchased this spray before and it works really freaking well. Only thing is, it has like a strong smell to it. It's a sweet smell, but it's like a strong after smell, if that makes any sense. So I purchased the moisturizer. So this doubles as a hair growth oil as well as a light moisturizer for your face because it has everything you need up in here. So lavender, lemon balm oil, castor oil, etc., vitamin E, all the good stuff. And then I also use my Lash Grow and Pro for my lashes real quick because I don't like to put all that glue on my lashes and then pull my lashes out. Okay, so you take a little. Okay, that's enough. and 319N. The lower the number, the darker the shade. So the darker shade, which is 319, I put on this part, and then the lighter shade I put right here.
I begin to
Don't you just love it?